Hello, my name is Jack Herbs, and today I want to talk about social engineering. Social engineering is getting someone to do something that they would not normally do. For example, if I asked you for your user ID and password for your bank account, you probably wouldn't give it to me. But what if I social engineered you? As an example of social engineering that I like to use is Amazon. Most people have an Amazon account and will understand this. When you order something on Amazon, you get a confirmation email. Imagine you're at work one day and you get a confirmation email that 65-inch flat screen TV that you wanted for your man cave has been ordered. You might think, I'm the luckiest man in the world. My wife really loves me. She just ordered me that flat screen TV that I wanted. You might even think that, oh my gosh, the sky is falling, I never ordered this, what's going on? Either way, your adrenaline's gonna be flowing, and what are you gonna do? You're gonna click on that link in that email, and it's gonna take you to the Amazon site. Adrenaline's flowing, you're gonna quickly type in your user ID and password. And what's gonna happen? It's gonna say, error, bad password, or bad user ID, so you're gonna take a deep breath, you're gonna slow down, type it in slowly. Then you're gonna be redirected to the Amazon site. Once at the Amazon site, you're going to take your mouse. You're going to go up and click on orders on the top right-hand corner, which all of us are used to doing. And you're going to be disappointed or relieved that that flat screen TV is not in your order list. And you're going to wonder what went on. Some of you may just ignore it and say, Amazon glitched. Some of you may be aware that you just gave the criminal your user ID and password for Amazon. So what do you have to do now? Obviously, you need to change your password on the Amazon site. But these criminals are smart. They know that most of us are lazy. And there's an excellent chance that the user ID and password that they stole is the same user ID and password that you use for your bank account. Or even worse, maybe it's the same user ID and password that you use where you work. What you need to do is change your password on every site that you use that password that you just gave the criminal, because you have become a person of interest. Through social media, the criminal is now able to log on to Facebook and find out where you live. And once they know where you live, they will figure out quickly what are the major banks out there, and they will try to use your user ID and password on your bank accounts and where you work and anything about you that you have that's public. So it is extremely important that you change and you're aware of what just happened through social engineering. You did exactly what the criminal wanted you to do, and that was give them your user ID. You need to be very aware and very conscious of your surroundings, of what you click on in emails. The number one way criminals are successful at hacking into companies and stealing data, or ransomwaring a computer, or getting into bank accounts and credit card accounts, is through phishing. You need to be extremely careful when you receive an email on what you click on. I always recommend never click on an email or a link in an email. Always go to the site. When you got that original Amazon email saying you got that 65-inch TV and you clicked on the link in the email, that was a bad thing to do. If you don't know how to check a link in an email, always go to the site. Recently, we have seen Capital One get breached. In the past, we've seen Equifax get breached. Lots of very, very big companies that have a lot of information on you, Anthem. And these companies will send you emails and send you letters saying to get help, to find out if you've been hacked, click on this site. And the bad guys are aware of this, and they will also craft emails and start sending you emails. So if you think you've been breached, if you get one of these emails, always go to the actual vendor site or the actual company site versus clicking on an email. To learn more about how Quinexus can keep your network safe, please give us a call and we'll be happy to set up an initial appointment to see if we may be a good fit for your organization. I look forward to hearing from you.